Okay, we use the 3D keyer to pull the green screens or the green backgrounds off video clips from Pixabay, or video clips of ourselves that we've filmed against a uniform same coloured background. Then we stack our keyed foreground elements on top of each other in the timeline, background plates or background videos first, foreground videos last. How do we make a transparency video of ourselves talking? So we want to remove the background and then use this video for future work where we want to put ourselves in the video, no matter what the video is. Keep this background transparent at all times. Okay, so first of all, let's remove the background. Left-click Inspector, Effects, Resolve Effects, Filters, double-click 3D keyer, arrow, left-click, Open Effects, Overlay, left-click. I've ensured I've got a green coloured background covering the complicated bits, which are the bits surrounding my moving body. To completely remove this background, that the background around my body, which is complex and in motion, is of the same colour. It's green, and I've just simply used a green painted door. So that's the door done. Now go to the Fusion page, left-click Polygon tool, press Invert, and create a polygon between yourself and the edges. And we see now that the polygon has removed the rest of the background. Go back to the edit page and we see that the background is completely removed. Now it's transparent at this stage, but of course we can't export it as a transparent video in DaVinci Resolve free version. We can do it in the free version using a workaround by changing this background to a bright green colour and rendering the video with a bright green background that we can then 3D keyer out for future use in any other video. So go to Generators, left-click Generators, and scroll down and select Solid Color. Just make some space first. Select Solid Color, left-click, and drag onto the timeline. You've got to put your transparent background video on top of Solid Color. So let's do that now. Just contract my video. I'll put that there. I'll put Solid Color down there and move my transparent video on top. Just stretch it all out. Rewind the playhead. Now when I play it, we don't see this color here. We still see black. Right-click the solid color box. Select Clip Color and select green, or whatever's appropriate. I mean, if you've got green clothes on, you would select some other colour. And then go to this colour up here, click on that and select bright green. And then select OK. And there we have it. Just stretch this out. Stretch your solid colour background out to the end of the video. And we see we now have a green background to our video. Now go to the Deliver page, left click Deliver. You can use YouTube custom exports. I'll just use my own. Add to render queue and then render all. So we've rendered a video of ourselves talking or moving around, or it could be your pet cat, or it could be anything. Let's see how to use this. I'll just close that. Place your background video onto the timeline first. Workspace reset UI layout, just to make our screens look the same. Left click Inspector, go to Effects, Resolve Effects Filters, double click 3D Keyer, make sure your green background video is highlighted, left click the drop down arrow, open Effects Overlay, left click your mouse button and remove the background. I can see a green outline here, so go to Despill and adjust that to make it look better. Let's see. Okay, looks a bit better. I'll keep it there. Go to Video and you can adjust the zoom and the position. Okay, so I've placed myself in the foreground of the video. Now I want to go to the color page and adjust my color. Okay, so we use the three. So left click color and make sure your video is highlighted. Left click keyframes. Put the playhead to the beginning of the video. In all, left click, select color. Right click, select add dynamic keyframe. The background, this foreground just behind me looks a bit more colourful than me. So I'm going to try increasing the saturation. I'll just increase that to 100. Maybe increase my brightness a bit. Okay, now looking at myself, I just want to darken my image as the background darkens. So at the beginning of the video, right click add dynamic keyframe, and by this stage I want to look much darker, so add dynamic keyframe. It's nighttime, so I'll just reduce my brightness, just decrease, give myself a bluish hue. There I am there. And because it's nighttime, there's less colour. If it's dark enough, the human eye only sees black and white. So in this light, let's just decrease the saturation a bit. We use the 3D keyer to pull the green screens or the green backgrounds off video clips from Pixabay, or video clips of ourselves that we've filmed against a uniform same coloured background. Then we stack our keyed foreground elements on top of each other in the timeline, background plates or background videos first, foreground videos last.